There is no shortcut to this learning. Nobody else can do this for you. So show up for yourself, show up for your education. Guneet, what do you think of Cannes and what are you thinking of women in films? Firstly, India, we make 2,500 films in a year and less than 5% of them are directed by women. तो कुछ तो करना चाहिए उसके बारे में. So we started Women in Film for skill development so that more women get more opportunities. We brought 3 women last time here. This year we brought 4. We also took 6 women to Toronto, and that was directors. This is a producers program. How to take Indian film global? What would you say? Firstly, come attend. Firstly save up, come attend. Start with Goa Film Festival. My career is made on Goa Film Bazaar. I have gone there, even though it happens on my birthday every year. I've gone there every year from 2008, and I made all my connections there. And those people I met here, and that's how you build your universe, you build your peer group, you share knowledge, and then you come attend, you expand your worldview. There is no shortcut to this learning. Nobody else can do this for you. You can't outsource it. So show up for yourself, show up for your education.
For a young filmmaker, is Cannes useful? What should they be doing at Cannes, and how can they make the most of Cannes?
It's always exciting to come to any market, but you have to come with a lot of homework. You need to understand where you are, what you are at, what phase you are. If you have a completed screenplay, that definitely helps. Or if you look for producers to come on board, or looking for labs that will come on board here. So coming to these markets is definitely a key because you get to learn what's happening in the world, what kind of cinema is being bought and sold, what kind of how the posters look like, what are the trailers like. Especially if you go to screenings in Cannes, you get a completely different perspective. So definitely come to Cannes, but be prepared.
So Aarti, can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing at Cannes and in terms of the Displacement Film Fund?
It is such an important moment for us to launch 5 filmmakers for second round of the Film Fund, headed by actress Kate Blanchett. We are going into season 2. We had an exceptionally successful pilot. We premiered 5 films in Rotterdam earlier this year in January, and we're very much looking forward to round 2.
Amazing. And what does Cannes bring to, how does Cannes help?
Cannes is like what Venice is to contemporary art. Venice is for contemporary film. It brings people from all over the world. We want to give it some kind of platform.